Hi, my name's Tom. I'm in my kids' bathroom right now. I have two teenagers, and before we got this shower shelf, it was a mess. There were shower bottles all over the place, shampoo bottles on the floor, soap just kind of sliding all over the place. Everything was getting wet and gooky. It was just a disgusting mess. My wife picked up this shower shelf, and the way it works is it actually holds with tension against the ceiling of your shower down to, in my case, the corner of the shower. It could be on a floor, depending upon how you're set up. But the tension rod in the middle is like kind of like a shower rod almost, but it keeps everything nice and secure. And then you have three baskets: small basket, medium basket, and a medium basket, and a little soap holder that you can put anywhere up and down the pole. So if you don't like this setup, you can put it in a different setup. That's fine. Installation was pretty easy. It's really just a stopper at the top, a stopper at the bottom, and then a whole bunch of poles in the middle. And the poles look like this for the most part. They're just metal poles that you kind of just screw in together. There's actually a shorter pole at the very top. In my particular case, you'll see the stopper at the bottom. This is actually a spring-loaded pole here for extra tension, and then you can actually press this button in and choose and push it up and down, choosing the right hole to kind of stop in. So the way it works is you kind of push it down as far as you can, choose the right hole, and you put the pole up, and then you tension it against the top of the ceiling and the bottom here, and it just holds in place. Now, is this thing secure? Yeah, it's pretty secure. It does depend upon how much tension you use. As long as you go ahead and you set the tension the right way here, and you use this spring to kind of constantly push it up, yeah, it'll hold pretty well. As you can see here on mine, I've got medium shelf full of product, second shelf full of product. We haven't even put in anything on the top shelf yet. Don't worry, my kids will find stuff to put there. And we have this little soap bar. There's a little soap dish. I really like this because our soap dish before, our soap was getting just waterlogged. We put it on a little soap dish, the shower would come down, all the water would sit there, and the soap was just dissolving before we even got to use it. So this allows you to use the soap, put it back up here, it drips off, and you save the soap. It actually allows you to use more soap. It actually saves it longer, so that's pretty nice. Overall, it only took about 15 minutes to install. I highly recommend this thing. It's worked out great for us. Everything's in the corner. The shelves themselves are rounded to kind of take up as little room as possible. They are adjustable. The shelves just screw on and off with a little plastic screw in the back. You just kind of tension them in. It's real easy. It's adjustable, easy to assemble. You have extra parts if you need them. Highly recommended.